When we move our mouse to the state of New York, we can see other than usual big markets in biotech and software, New York has its comparatively large market in e-commerce and the curated web. Unlike California and New York, Massachusetts has its biggest market in biotech instead of software. As a special example, Minnesota has a relatively thriving market in healthcare, and it is unique from the other states. Using our visualization, we can easily compare the different distribution of markets in different states. And reversely, we can also see different distribution of state within a market when we click different market on the bipartite graph. For example, biotech is majorly distributed in California and Massachusetts, while for e-commerce, it is majorly distributed in New York and California.